Hey friends, thanks for stopping by. So today I will be showing you video 1 of the It's a Crafty Life 15 days of videos. And this hop runs from May 1st to May 15th, so I hope you will join me each day as I put this really cool project that I figured I would work on for the next 15 days together. So make sure you stop by the other participants. I have put links in my descriptions below. Thank you, Heather, from Heather's Crafty Life. If you don't know Heather, um, you should find out 'cause she's awesome. Heather has a Patreon, and this hop is she asked her Patreons if anyone wanted to join in, and here we are. So for my 15 days of videos, I am doing a little mini project, and it's my favorite 15. So I am putting together a mini album using this it's like a bullet journal, I guess you can call it, traveler's journal. It is from Amazon. I think I paid, I don't know, I'm not even sure how much I paid for them, but they were 6 in a pack, maybe $8. And it is about 5 3/4 by about 8 1/2. And it is, the paper's kind of flimsy, so I probably won't be doing any mixed media directly on this page, or probably not any stamping either, because it is, like I said, very thin paper. I'd say almost like copy paper thickness. But I want to walk you through what I will be doing the next 14 days, and but I will have 15 different things that are my favorites. So for example, I will have a drink, food, a chore. Yes, you can have a favorite chore. Craft, social media app, streaming service, book, movie, show, singer, favorite Instagram influencer, place, adult beverage, season, and obsession. And it's going to be like, I'm not going to say it's going to be heavy journaling, but it will have some pretty kind of heavy journaling, because I want it to be a story about my favorite things. I want it to be about me. I very rarely scrapbook anything about me. I usually scrapbook everybody else. And I really thought it would be cool that, who knows, maybe in the future, one of my grandkids or great grandchildren could see what I was into in May of 2021. So, with that said, I've told you what my album's going to be, what I will be working on. I'm going to show you what I plan on using. So, I I am part of the My Little Scrapbook Store design team, and we are having a My Little Scrapbook Store National Scrapbook Day crop. So if you're interested in joining the crop, there's a lot of challenges. It's completely free. You can see the link down below. And one of the challenges was to create your own kit. I will be creating a kit either, depending on when this video airs, either later or earlier today, showing how I create this specific kit, which I will be using to make my project. Yes, I know it's pretty big paper, very small book, but I want to use it for that, and of course I'll have leftovers, and I will end up using them for other things on my videos. So that will be mostly what I use, but I will also be using a few stamp sets that I have. Definitely using the Feed Your Craft Time of Day. It has great little prompts that I can use. I will be using some L Studio stamps, which I don't have in front of me, but definitely have some page, actually I do have them in front of me, title builder stamps, so I can make up my titles. I will definitely be using this Paper Person stamp set, and this is, I want to say, the April kit. I might use some of these cards in this collection, as well as this stamp set, also from Paper Person, and I think this was the March kit. There are some things that I will be able to use from this collection as well. Um, let's see, what else? I also have another Feed Your Craft. I say a lot, don't I? Card kit, as well as the Bloom collection from Ali Edwards. So definitely using these. I may add a few other things like stamps or maybe even digital stamps. I've already started printing out my pictures, so I have some already ready to go. And I just showed you a couple sneak peeks. So yeah, so this is going to be my 15-day project. I hope you will join me each day. I want to thank Heather Little as well as all the other participants of this crop. And I will chat with you tomorrow. Looking forward to showing you what my favorite 15 favorites are. Have a great night or day.